To quickly find a recent saved transaction form in QuickBooks Online Plus, click into the Navigate or Search for Transactions, Contacts, Reports, and More field in the QuickBooks Online toolbar. This field has a magnifying glass icon at its left end. After clicking into the field, a drop-down menu appears. The most recent transactions appear in the Recent Transactions section within this drop-down menu. If you see the transaction you are looking for in the list, click it to open the transaction. To instead search for a transaction, enter the search term into the field at the top of the drop-down menu. The searching begins as you type the term or terms. After you stop typing, matching results appear below, grouped by categories in the drop-down menu. To open a matching result, click it within the Transactions group in this drop-down. Alternatively, to open the Advanced Transactions search page instead, click the Advanced Transactions search link at the bottom of the drop-down menu. In the Advanced Transactions search page, use the filtering fields at the top of the page to select the criteria by which to filter the list of matching transactions that appear in the list below the filtering fields. To show additional filters, click the Filters button at the right end of the filter fields. Make your selections from the filters in the drop-down menu that appears, and then click the Apply button. To clear all filters if applied, click the Clear All button in the drop-down menu, or click the Go to All Transactions link in the upper right corner of the Advanced Transactions search page. To open a transaction in the list of matching transactions in a new window, click it, but avoid clicking its Contact hyperlink unless you want to view the transaction's contact record. To return to the Advanced Transactions search page, if you open a transaction window, close the window. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.